Hello friends, welcome to my channel. Today I'll be demonstrating how to use an ink calligraphy pen using an ink bottle. This is the calligraphy kit I've got. This is the ink bottle and the tissue paper. So these are the cartridges as I showed you in my previous video. This is the syringe, injection like a thing. You have to pull it up and it goes down just like a normal injection syringe. This is the pen. Ink bottle, I'm using a Parker ink. You can use any Camlin or Camel ink you can use. So let's start. How can we fill the ink in this syringe? Open the pen and I'm detaching the nib portion with the pen. I opened the ink bottle. Always keep the tissue paper handy so to avoid the mess. You can pull and push this is string kind of structure, string kind of thing. So it has to be at the bottom. The string has to be at the bottom. Just dip the syringe till the level of the ink and just see how I'm pulling. Just see how I'm pulling it upwards and ink is filled in the syringe. So take the tissue paper and soak the outer portion. Now push the syringe in the nib portion just like we did the cartridge one. Here it will not give you a click sound just as the cartridge do. You just need to give it a push a little bit. Now your pen is ready to use. Hold the pen in the vertical direction, just tap it a bit. And your pen is ready. Thank you for watching this video. Do give it a thumbs up and don't forget to like and subscribe. Stay tuned for more calligraphy videos. Bye bye.